I'm gonna show you guys how I made the logo for the app that I was building. I'm making an app that will work with my 3D printer, so I think it would be nice for me to make a video of how I designed the logo. This is a 3D printer that I want to make. It's gonna use an app because it's Android based. I know it's not part of this video, but I just want to show it for like a few seconds, then you can get back. So this is the 3D printer that I want to make an app for, and the whole thing. Go to your Play Store or web and open Canva, sign up, do the whole thing, and then create an account. You can see I have my account created already. What you want to do when you're in the loadouts, you see logo, click on logo. Let's give it some time to load. So when you're on your screen, your loadout screen, go over to tool, select the shapes, and for this tutorial I'm going to use a rectangle, square, whatever. I want to use this. Okay, I want to make this. This is B. This is B, right? So to make it artistic, to make it look beautiful, look at what we have at the end. This is our target, BIR, because this is my logo, y'all know. And we're gonna do with shapes, so this is what we're doing. Select the desired width and height that you want, and after that you go up, see these menu boxes. You're gonna select corners, and then you adjust it to form a little bit some like circle. So as you can see, we have something similar, not like it's exactly, but we have something similar. And what we want to do, tap on the shape, duplicate it one more time, and then bring it down, and then place, voila. So we have this in a fashion way. I gotta put it that way, in a fashion way. And we want to make the eye, so let's duplicate it again, duplicate, and make sure it's in perfect lining. Make it the shape we want, and then we just gonna use here as the equal length to this shape, and this is what we make. And we want to make the R, duplicate this, make sure it's equal. So when you see this tiny logo text number, that says 6, it means that it's equal, 6 pixel equal, 6 pixel gap, that's what it means. So I'm gonna select this and then make it at the center, right here, center. And we want to make the complete R. We don't want to draw anything, so we just go ahead and keep duplicating. And then once you have the shape that you want to change, head over here, you can edit, and then you can make it whatever you want. You can pick it back, circle. Yeah, that was what I was aiming for. So this is what we have. This is how I put it. We have B and we have I, we have R. So to make it a little bit fancier, select this and change the color. You want to change the color, select whatever you want to change color, and head over to this section that says color. Select this. I'm gonna make it color solid. You have black, you have red, you have blue, you have white. So we're gonna make this gradient color, mixing colors together, and then sort of like designing the color. So let's go ahead and select red. I think it's orange. Just select it, and we're gonna make this white. But first we need to change the background. So if you want to change the background, select the background, select it. Over here you can see background color, click it. And if you want to make the background green as well, you can do it, but that's not what we're aiming for. We're trying to make it black, so we choose black. Let's delete this because I don't need it anymore. Delete, and make our colors white. So select, make it white, select, make it white, select, make it white, select, make it white. And also if you want to rotate the shape, you can do this, and then you can rotate it. You can rotate if you want to. I don't want to, so I'm just gonna put it back to the normal position. And we need to add something like a frame, something that looks like this. You get it right, like a frame. So to do that, use the shapes again, select, and we don't want to fill this rectangle. We want this rectangle to be empty, so you select no color because it's color. When you select no color, and then you go to stroke style, and then you're gonna select stroke and the width. So the stroke is already black. We want to change it back to white so we can be able to see it, and then we change it back to white. We want to make the stroke bigger. You can go ahead and do something like this. Just play around if you want to. And yeah, so let's round the corners. That's really necessary because it makes it look beautiful. Yeah, round the corners, and then we select them, make it bigger. We make it bigger. This shit that I do is not at the center. Doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you. I already got my project. I'm just trying to make a reveal, so you guys know what I did. And yeah, this is what we have, and we wanna let's notch it up a little bit. So select, and then we wanna add animations. Right here you can see animations. Click on animations. Here's different type of animation. So we're gonna do the animation for the whole thing, not just this animation. Different styles, and yeah, so let's save. If you want to save this, go over to share and download. I don't need it.